chrome billet seat handle levers for a 2005 Mustang. The plastic ones, the original plastic ones, broke off a long time ago, and the dealer wanted a crazy amount for those pieces of plastic, about 40 bucks, 50 bucks for those. The aluminum ones or the chrome ones that I've seen online are $50, $60, or $70. So I came across these from uniqueautodepot.com, $21.95 including shipping. So we're going to go and see how these fit and go from there. Got some nice weight to them. I'm curious to see how tightly these will fit. I've seen reports of other ones that don't stay on real firmly. So let's go take them out to the car and see how they set up. And these are the seats without the levers. Been gone for a long time. So let's see what we have. And it's just that easy. Nice solid click. Good deal. $21.95 including shipping. Thanks for watching.